Сәлем достар, алуа тичер сіздермен. Бүгін біз ағылшын тілінде махаббат және қарым-қатынас тақырыбында 7 түрлі phrasal verbs және idioms үйренетін боламыз. Let's get started. So guys, the first one is to have a crush on someone. Біреуді қатты ұнату. For example, you can say, I have a crush on a guy from my English class. He is very attractive, he is funny and brainy, but I'm afraid my feelings are not mutual. The second one, guys. To ask someone out. Біреуді кездесуге шақыру. So it means in English to invite someone to do something with you in romantic context. For instance, you can say, Liam finally asked me out and tomorrow we're going to the party. So the third one is to fall in love. Біреуге ғашық болу. To start having romantic feelings about one person. For instance, you can say, I don't know what's happening to me right now, but I assume I'm falling in love with you. So the first one, guys, is to stand someone up. Which means you agreed to go on a date, but in the end you just don't go, you don't call, or you just don't appear. And яғни бұл біреумен кездесуге келісіп, бірақ соңында келмей қалған кезде қолданатын фраза. To stand someone up. For instance, guys, you can say, I was waiting for Sam at the restaurant for 2 hours, but he didn't appear. He just escaped and he stand me up. So the fifth one is to tie the knot. What it means to get married, it's an idiom. Бұл негізі идиома, және бұл үйрену деген мағынаны білдіреді. For example, my parents tied a knot 20 years ago. So the sixth, guys, is to be head over heels in love with someone. To be really in love with someone. Яғни біреуге қатты ғашық болу дегенді білдіреді. For instance, you can say, I fell head over heels in love with him. So the last but not least is to pop the question. It means to ask somebody's hand. Or to ask somebody if they would like to be your husband or wife. Яғни бұл біреудің қолын сұрау, немесе сөз салу. So guys, if you like this video, if it was useful for you, thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, write down the comments, and see you later!